Lee is keeping an eye on the situation. Are you seeing any rain out there anytime soon, Alina?
Well, in the most hardest hit areas where they definitely need the rain, it's pretty dry right now, with the exception of some showers in the Sierra Nevada mountains where there are still some wildfires out there. As you'll notice on our satellite and radar picture, this is a loop of the last, I would say 3 to 4 hours, 4 hours to be exact. And you can see quite a bit of activity across the Four Corners region where obviously it's monsoon season. So all that monsoon moisture helping to lead to the thunderstorms and rain chances across parts of New Mexico, Arizona, even southern Nevada, and even southern California at this point. But where they really need it is up to the Pacific Northwest and even into Canada. So here's a look at those current wildfires and where the smoke is the thickest. Right now, it's mainly thick between, I would say, Oregon and even northern California, Nevada, parts of Utah, even up towards Montana. And the wildfires in Canada also impacting the middle of the country, where you can see between the Dakotas and even Iowa. We're not seeing too thick of smoke right now, but it might get a little more dense as we head through tomorrow. And even so, on Tuesday, as you look at our forecast map, the orange is getting a little more intense and dipping down a little bit farther south, indicating that some of that smoke and haze may impact our skies as we head through the beginning of the week. Meanwhile, it's dry, not expecting a whole lot to happen through the rest of tonight. Maybe a stray shower developing, but otherwise most of the area, especially along the metro and farther north, will remain quiet and a little muggy as we head through the rest of tonight. Only in the 80s right now. We did in fact make it to 90 degrees at KCI, but there were a lot of spots that were just slightly cooler than just, I would say, 24 hours ago. 83 right now in Odessa, Richmond sitting at 85 degrees. Overnight, skies should stay partly cloudy, but we should have a light east wind, and obviously the cold front that we were tracking yesterday, that should be just to our south, which should allow some areas to dip down into the upper 60s. By the afternoon, though, we'll probably see another repeat of what we did earlier today. I don't think we'll see nearly as much moisture, though, as the front will be farther south. So obviously the focus for new development will be out of our area for the most part. Partly to mostly sunny, warm and muggy day ahead, but then it gets even worse. In fact, heat and humidity continue to build across the area starting Tuesday with highs back near 95. And again, just to mention, right now, as far as the actual definition for heat wave, well, it depends on where you live because that definition can vary. At least for us in Kansas City, I think we typically go by 95 degrees or greater 2 to 3 days in a row. That is considered a heat wave, and I think that's going to happen Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday gets even hotter, and obviously triple-digit heat index values will be likely. And it would not surprise me if the National Weather Service wanted to extend the excessive heat warning that's still in place right now until Thursday, because right now it's only in effect till Wednesday at 7 p.m. And after Thursday, there may be a little bit more relief. It's still going to be warm, but there could be a few more showers that develop across the area. As you'll notice, forecast track really quickly just going through Friday, and then eventually on Saturday there may also be an additional chance for rain. Not everyone going to see rainfall in our area, which is obviously what we definitely need here. It's been pretty dry for July. Security Bank 7-day forecast featuring those slight chances for rain Friday into Saturday. The models are just in a complete disagreement with which day has the highest chances, and obviously the timing is still up for debate. So right now looking like wrapping up next week into the weekend with a little more rain for us, but staying near 90 though. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like 90 is going to get away from us until maybe the 5th or 6th of August. Greg.
All right.
Sorry to be the bearer of bad news.
It's okay. It is.